Tsar Bomba. The Tsar Bomba was the most powerful nuclear bomb ever tested, developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War. It was a massive thermonuclear weapon designed to demonstrate overwhelming output rather than practical military use. When detonated in 1961, it produced an explosion far stronger than any other test in history, with a shockwave that traveled around the Earth. Its design was intentionally reduced in power for testing, meaning it could have been even more destructive. RDS-37. RDS-37 was one of the Soviet Union's early thermonuclear bombs and marked a major step forward in nuclear weapon development. It used a two-stage design, combining fission and fusion to create a powerful explosion. Tested in the 1950s, it proved that large-scale hydrogen bombs could be reliably built and deployed. This weapon helped establish the Soviet Union as a major nuclear power. B-41 nuclear bomb. The B-41 was the most powerful nuclear bomb ever deployed by the United States. It was a thermonuclear weapon designed for strategic bombing, capable of producing extremely high yields. Unlike experimental bombs, it was actually part of the U.S. arsenal during the Cold War. Its size and power reflected the intense competition between superpowers at the time. Castle Bravo device. Castle Bravo was a U.S. hydrogen bomb test that became famous for its unexpectedly large explosion. Conducted in 1954, it produced a yield much higher than scientists predicted due to unforeseen reactions in the fuel. The blast caused widespread radioactive fallout, affecting nearby islands and even a Japanese fishing crew. It highlighted the dangers and unpredictability of early thermonuclear testing. Ivy Mike device. Ivy Mike was the first successful full-scale test of a hydrogen bomb by the United States. It was not a deliverable weapon, but a large experimental device used to prove the concept of fusion-based explosions. Detonated in 1952, it completely vaporized the test island and showed the immense potential of thermonuclear weapons. This test marked the beginning of a new era in nuclear technology. Fat Man. Fat Man was one of the first nuclear bombs used in warfare during World War II. It was an implosion-type fission bomb dropped on the city of Nagasaki. Its design used plutonium and explosive lenses to trigger the reaction. The event demonstrated the devastating real-world impact of nuclear weapons and influenced global politics for decades. Little Boy. Little Boy was the first nuclear weapon ever used in combat, dropped on Hiroshima. It used a gun-type design with uranium as its fuel. Compared to later weapons, it was relatively simple but still caused massive destruction. Its use marked the beginning of the nuclear age and changed how wars and global power were viewed. W-88 Warhead. The W-88 is a modern thermonuclear warhead used by the United States on submarine-launched ballistic missiles. It is much smaller than early bombs, but far more advanced and efficient. Its design allows it to deliver high explosive power with precision targeting. This reflects the shift from large experimental bombs to compact deployable weapons.